This exploration is on Everyday Math slide 4. After you can either watch this or go to their slide 4 and you'll see these shapes. What we're doing is looking for equal shares. We got like if we pretend that there are two people and they're sharing a piece, these are a bunch of, we can pretend it's a cake, we can pretend it's a cornbread, whatever you want to pretend it is. But we're going to cut it so that each person has equal amount. And it might be cut in different ways, but we're going to see if it's equal. So let's look at this first shape. Even though it's shaped like this, is this side the same as this side? This shaded side and the not shaded side, are they the same? Are they equal? Yes, they are. This is the same as this, so they would each have the same amount. Now look at this one. What if we took these two shaded pieces, stuck them over here? Are the shaded equal with the unshaded parts? Yes, they are. If there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that are shaded, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that are not shaded. So they are equal. This is equal. This is cut equally, even though it's cut weird. It is cut equally. This one too, it's cut weird, but it's cut equally. How about this one? Are these equal? Yes, they are. They are equal. How about this one? Is this shaded part the same as the unshaded? No, it's not. This person would get a smaller piece than this person. This is not equal. How about these? Are these shaded equal? Is this shaded, the non-shaded and shaded, are they equal? If we stuck these two over here, and see, there's 4 that are not shaded and 4 that are. So yes, it is equal. These are cut equally. How about these? 2 shaded, 2 not shaded. These are equal. This is equal. How about this? Are these equal? Yes, they are. These are equal. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded, 6 not shaded. This is equal. How about this? This one is equal. 2 shaded, 2 not shaded. How about this one? 3 shaded, 3 not shaded. This one is equal. How about this one? A triangle and square, and a square and a triangle. So yes, this is equal. How about this one? Well, only 1 is shaded and 3 are not. So this is not equal. So out of all these pieces, there were only 2 that were not equal. This one and this one.